Okay, here we are. The job I did a few years back. Undoubtedly one of my best right here, right now. Pondless Waterfall. This thing is crazy. 8, 16, 24, 32,000 gallons are coming down an hour. Look at the rocks we put in this thing. Woo! This thing's a beast. It's only getting better in time. Big rocks. This thing's flowing hard. We got all LED lights in this thing, everything. Going to the other side here. Same thing, big drops right here. This thing is awesome. Even though I built it, I get to say that. Look at this drop off, the rock work. It's just all out right there. It really is. What do you guys think? Check this out. This thing is unbelievable. Coming down into a pondless pit. Right there. Got all the rock work. Looks like it eroded out of a mountain up there. We made a mountain. This is really serious. And all the different boulders mixing in, make it look very natural and all that. So, you know, got all different sporadic drops. You know, all going up and down here. Some of these key boulders just say hello. You can't, I mean, you can't deny that thing. Look at that, that's all out. I mean, the structure in the rock, you know, we got little mountain creeks on the right and the left. This is big. This is not a small job, this is a big one. It took a few weeks to do it. I think we did it a few years back, and definitely proud of this one. I would have to say this is one of my best, if not the best I've ever done right here. There's only a couple compared to this off my mind that I could think of, but check it out. You guys judge that.